Hey you guys, it's Jolene. Welcome back to the channel. In last week's video, I showed you that I bought this fabric from Connecting Threads while it was on sale. This one I believe is called Luxembourg Squares. And so I made a jelly roll with it last night, actually. I made this. I am in love with this color palette. So yeah, I ordered 8 of them. And in today's video, we're going to have a little party like I always do. And we're going to give away one of these jelly rolls. The rules and everything will be up here in a little bit. But I wanted to talk to you guys about other fun things first. So the channel reached 5,000 subscribers. Yay! And that's all thanks to you guys, which is shocking because only 12.7% of my viewers are actually subscribed to the channel. So how are you guys going to get in on the fun when I do things like give away jelly rolls? It's crazy. So subscribe to the channel is the short of it. So I'm going to give kind of like a little business update, health update if you've been here for a while, a couple of little goals. We're going to talk about the rules for the contest, and we're going to get on with things here. Okay. So I've had a bunch of questions about some of my videos. So I thought, well, I'll just do like a big recap here, first of all. Okay, so how much money I'm making is one of the questions. And the first month I was on, got monetized on YouTube, the payout was $189, and then they took taxes off, so it ended up being like $140. The second month I believe is like $160, and I think this month I'm on track for like $150, and then it's going to be minus taxes. So that's also in Canadian dollars, which fine. I'm a Canadian. I get paid in Canadian dollars. So the more people that subscribe to the channel, the more time you guys spend making comments and spend like actually watching the channel will help the channel grow. And as the channel grows, I'm doing more and more fun things. So I keep saying that I want to get to 1 million subscribers. And I think the last time, like I was Googling this last week, there's 87 million crafters, I think it said, in the United States or in North America. Either way, that's a whole lot of people. So I want to get a whole bunch of crafters on this channel, and I want to share my tutorials and all the fun stuff and give away things. So make sure you subscribe. So then I got a question about how I got started. And how I got started was I was actually really sick years ago. Had this actual like fibroid tumor. Didn't know what was going on. They kept popping me full of like cortisone for back pain. And then once they got in there finally and figured it out, I had like a platter of stuff taken out of me. So that affected a whole bunch of stuff, of course, because I was on cortisone for a long time and pain meds and all that kind of stuff. So my weight kind of exploded and all kinds of fun things. And so I was pretty sick. And I said to my husband, I don't know what I'm going to do. And he's like, oh, well, you know, what do you want to do? And I said, I really want to have a craft business. So we renovated this room. We're pretty frugal and he's a builder. So we did a lot of work ourselves. So this is where I started. This was a card that I made for him. Well, it'll be 12 or 13 years ago for Christmas now. It's pathetic. It's so pathetic. It's got some little stickers and some little rhinestone things. Honestly, some buttons, and I just cut ribbon. And this is actually where I started, like producing things to sell. So crazy, not good. So if I can do it, you can too. The YouTube economy is going to boom. So I think I was looking at Saxon Goldberg, and they said that the creator economy, so not just YouTube, but the creator economy itself is going to grow to something like $8 trillion. Absolutely bananas. Get in on the fun if you can. And I'll have more trainings and videos and stuff like that on not just like how to make a jelly roll rug, but how to get started with your own creator business, because I'm starting to make some actual real money now. And 5,000 subscribers, I think I'm averaging like anywhere from $5 to $9 a day in ad revenue. And that's just ad revenue. So how else I make money, of course, is with the affiliate links that I share. So if you want to buy some of this really cool fabric, I will put a link in the video description for you guys, and you can go ahead and purchase the same fabric from Connecting Threads. Love them. It's 100% cotton, and they're from the United States. So it's good. Even though I'm Canadian and all the tariffs and everything, let's just not talk about that right now because today's about the fun stuff. Okay, so another question that I got asked is if people on my channel that like my stuff can just purchase from me. Now, I don't always talk about all my stuff for sale because I kind of want to talk about the fabric and I want to talk about the tutorial and all that kind of stuff. But yes, all the stuff here is for sale. It's on my website. You don't have to have a wholesale account. I primarily sell to stores, or I go to these huge Christmas markets. And in the summertime, I do some summer markets, although that's slowing down just because of health stuff. So a health update. If you've been here for a while, yes, I had the detached retina at Christmas time. I still have some gas bubbles in my eye, which some people will say is impossible. It's not impossible if they've put a really huge one in your eye, because I also had a previous injury to that eye, etc. So we're hoping within 2-3 months from now, they'll all be gone and they'll be able to resume things like flying, which you can't do with a gas bubble in your eye because the bubble will expand while you're in the air and can cause some damage. So yeah, that was a nightmare for Christmas. And as for my husband, thank you for all the prayers. He is feeling so much better. If you're new here, he had colon cancer and he had the first surgery last year, and it was a nightmare, and he ended up in a coma from aspirating vomit for no good reason. Just some problem with staph. So we're going to say about that. And this year he had the reversal surgery where they take the bag off because he was on a bag. It was called a stoma bag, and every problem that could happen to him happened again. So a 4-day hospital stay ended up being well into a month. And, you know, he had a perforated bowel and he had a bowel obstruction, and like it was just a nightmare. And then he ended up with pulmonary embolisms again, which are blood clots in your lung if you don't know about it. So just a whole bunch of problems from the procedures, and that's all we're going to say about that. So he is feeling tons better. He's not perfect, but he's tons better. And he was able to go back to work after being off since the initial surgery. So an absolute freaking miracle. And if you've ever been at home with your husband for a year, send me some more prayers. Okay. So yes, you can go ahead and purchase this stuff on my website, and I ship to Canada and the United States. The pricing is in Canadian dollars. Now, I've had another question that talked about, confusing steps when I was sewing the inside of the rug. Well, if you watch the whole entire rug video and just follow the actual steps, they do make sense. Somebody was complaining yesterday that I said don't push or pull the strips together, but at the beginning you have to, because you have to ease it around the corners. So if you're confused about the videos, I recommend that you start at the beginning and just start. And work your way through the actual steps of the tutorial. If you're getting so overwhelmed by trying to remember all the steps, just watch the video step by step by step until you're at the next step. Now, another question that I got is why I never discount my products. I've mentioned this a few times on my channel, but the reason I don't discount my products is because I am selling to multiple locations and I want consistency with pricing. But also the people that want a discount on the products are not the people that are my regular customers. They're not. They show up at a Christmas market. They say they want 4 soup bowl cozies and they want you to give them for 50% off. And then those are the customers that always come back and complain about something. So know your value, put your pricing on your products for what you think that they should be. Now, as far as discounts are concerned, I do discount my digital files from time to time. And right now I have a sale on my Mother's Day cards, which are in an Etsy store called the Mandela SVG shop. The code that you would need for my YouTube viewers is MOM2025. It expires on midnight on Mother's Day. So if you want to make your mom a card, go ahead and purchase a file And if you've got a Cricut or a Silhouette machine, it's really quite simple to do. And so I do discount my digital files from time to time, but never my actual finished products. Okay, so another question that I got was, oh, the polyester thread to sew the rugs and why I never use cotton. Cotton almost always breaks down in the wash, and you know, you're going to be using these rugs. You're walking on them. You're putting them in a washing machine that's got an agitator in it. You're putting it in, you know, with other towels and all that. It holds up better when I use a polyester thread. Go ahead and use whatever thread you want. I use polyester thread. And the other thing I never do is roll the strips of the jelly rolls into a ball because it trains your fabric to be twisted. Now, another common question that I get is, where did I get the sewing table from with the big flat surface on it? And I got it off of Facebook Marketplace. It was the steal of the century. It was like $100. Some lady was clearing it out of her basement. And then I painted the top of it. So I've never seen another one exactly the same, but you can purchase inset tables. And I will have, I'll put a link to my Amazon store that has all the things that I use to make the jelly roll rug. If you want to purchase through the link, that's great. It supports the channel, all that kind of fun stuff. But it's also a link for you to support local businesses. So if you go to the store and you're like, oh, I saw that purple thing, or you know, I saw the fabric, or I saw the thread that I like, there's the entire list for you, and we don't have to go over the same list over and over and over again. It's right there for you to use for a reference. Okay, so the fun stuff today, we are going to give away a jelly roll. Yay. It's so pretty. Oh, 1 second. I wanted to just talk to you guys about goals. So we're at 5,000 subscribers, which as I mentioned is shocking because only 12.7% of my viewers are subscribed. So I don't know how you're getting notifications, but do subscribe, turn on the notifications. And then when I do fun videos like this, you'll get notified. But I want obviously I want to reach 1 million subscribers. That's the dream. But my next goal is to get to 10,000 subscribers. And yes, I will get more ad revenue, all that kind of fun stuff. But the thing with reaching 10,000 subscribers is then I will be able to apply to places to be a brand ambassador, because some of the requirements to be a brand ambassador for some of these brands is 10,000 subscribers. And once you're a brand ambassador, of course, there's more fun things that I could do for the channel. And then the other reason I want to get to 10,000 subscribers is because on YouTube, when you have 10,000 subscribers, you can set up fundraisers. So I could set up a fundraiser for a local dog rescue per se, and then we could have products that support the dog rescue, and people could donate, you know, $1, $5, all that kind of fun stuff, and have the videos linked to a fundraiser to do better, more fun things in the community. I'm very community oriented. I don't know if you've heard that about me, but I am, and I just want to do better. So I've reached 50. I want to have fun and just do better. Okay, so how we're going to run this contest today, we're going to make it super easy. We've got 5,000 subscribers. So we're going to use the spin to win wheel like we always do. The comments from 1 to 50, which are actual viewer comments, not mine, will be counted. And I'll use the spin to win wheel. It will choose a number between 1 and 50. I'll count backwards from the first comment. The first comment is always mine. So technically the second comment, which is the viewer comment, will be put in, and we'll do a spin. We'll pick a number. We'll line it up with a person, and you have to be okay with me contacting you and sharing your name on another video that you won this. And you have to be okay with me mailing it. You don't have to be subscribed to the channel. There's no purchase necessary. This is void where prohibited, and YouTube has nothing to do with it. So they don't police it. They don't promote it. They're not encouraging it. They're not going to police it. I will have a link to the YouTube community guidelines in both the video description and the first comment to make sure that we're not breaking any YouTube rules. We're just having some fun with fabric. And this is a big thank you to everybody that is here right now and subscribe to the channel. Like 5,000, it's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. I can't believe it. So thank you. Thank you for being here, and I hope you stay, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.